Hey everybody, I'm here with your intro video for Module 14B. So today, right now, you're watching this intro video. You're working on Module 5514B, and then you're going to take some time, hopefully, to continue updating your IR document for Week 5. So here's our agenda and our objectives for today. You are watching this intro video, you're answering those questions. You're going to do your objectives. There's a do now. There's vocab. The vocab is going to be around the idea of gratitude and being thankful. And then you are going to read and answer some guided questions. That is the majority of the work today. There is an SCR prompt and you are going to write an SCR for your mastery check. So that's just kind of the main update I wanted to let you know of, that there is not a mastery check on a Scholastic for this module. Your SCR is going to be your mastery check for today. So we have two objectives. First, students will be able to determine the importance of the benefits of gratitude by ranking their top 3 choices and explaining their choice. And students will be able to demonstrate the ability to identify key facts in a reading by writing answers to guided reading questions with the support of sentence stems. Okay, so just to kind of introduce this topic of gratitude, I wanted to just share some things that I'm personally grateful for this week. The first are these beautiful masks here that my mom has made. I was going to say, like, my mom and I have made them together, but realistically, like, she's done the majority of the work. She's an amazing seamstress. She sews, she designs clothes for a living, and she has been kind of making hundreds of masks that we've been selling and donating to different people around Denver. I'm super grateful to be able to help in whatever small way I can with that project. I'm also grateful for the mountains. My husband and I were able to go up to the mountains to stay in this cabin that was pretty far removed from people, and it was really just great to get out to feel that fresh mountain air. And the last thing, honestly, I'm super grateful for fresh food, for the ability to just like find good food even amongst all this crazy time. There's this amazing program in my neighborhood that delivers fresh groceries, fresh vegetables to people in the neighborhood. Obviously you have to like sign up for that and pay for that, but it's been a really amazing thing to just like be able to find something that supports the community and that keeps us all eating fresh. All right, it is Tuesday, and that means it is time for Weird Word Tuesday. Our weird word for today is bumfuzzle. Bumfuzzle. Say that a few times. Feel that word. And this word means, it's a verb, it means confuse, perplex, fluster. So for example, I was absolutely bumfuzzled by the confusing modules in the first week of e-school. Maybe you're still feeling that way. I don't know. If you are, you should reach out to me and get some support. Okay, that is our weird word for today. Your questions in the module are going to ask you to write down the word, write down the definition, and use it in a sentence. And that is all for today. Good luck on Module 14B. Talk to you soon.